Good morning, student. So, this is the third part of this chapter. So, let's get started. So, previously we were talking about Margie and her diary and her brother Tommy, how Tommy, that she was explaining that he found a real book which they have never seen. So, this was the previously what we were discussing about. So today we'll continue the story, so let's get started. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Margie is reminded of her grandfather. He told her that his grandfather studied all the books that were printed on paper. So, this kind of a book is historical or ancient for them, something which they cannot believe, they cannot imagine. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. So, what is crinkly? You can see here it is written with many folds. You can see here crinkly it is written with many folds or lines. Crinkly means basically 100 or 200 years old book. You can see the creases. Means in Hindi we said that karachli or something. Very old. So it was very old book. Then you can imagine the how a book, if it is very old, how it will look. It is similar like 100-year-old car. How it will look? It will look very old. Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. The children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. Now what does it mean by that words that stood still? As the words were printed on the pages, they did not move. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online, ebook. So, in the ebooks, how it happens, the text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was different in the books printed on paper. And then when they turn back to the pages, before it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. It was a very strange experience for these children when you have a book which is printed on paper. Whenever you flip the pages, you get to see the same things written on the pages. On the other hand, in an e-book, the text keeps on changing on the screen. The screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So whenever you go back, the text is different. Gee, said the Tommy, what a waste. When you are the throw with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a millions books on it and it's good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. Tommy disliked the printed books. He said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have some different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that the computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more on it. He would not have to throw that screen away when once he had read a particular story. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.